we are on the way to Chicago. We're gonna go see my brother, my sister-in-law. We're gonna go see our little nephew. The family's here. Maddie's next to me. Justine and Lily are leaving over there. Dad's eating lunch. We were supposed to be flying out at 5 in the morning, and if you notice, it's kind of bright. You know what that means? Canceled the flight. So we are waiting. Justine worked very hard to find us another flight. We're heading out on, I think it's like 5:30? 5:30 flight. So we'll be headed in the air soon to Chicago to see everyone. We were supposed to go to a barbecue this evening. Not happening, unfortunately, but we're gonna go see family, hang out this evening with them, and yeah, keep watching because you'll probably see me talking right now when we're maybe boarding. So we're on the plane. She's got her mask on. She's been trained. We are waiting to take off, head to Chicago. You know, they're sitting up there. Dad's back there somewhere. We're getting ready to head out. So hope you enjoy what you see next. Keep on watching. Forgot to do a video. Got in, flight went well. The rental car took us almost 2 hours. $1 rental. Horrible. Great price, but almost an hour and a half just waiting in line. So just went, saw a family. I didn't pull the camera out. Didn't want to scare them too much. And it was already after like 9 o'clock. Just walking up to the Hyatt right now. We are staying here just so we don't have to burden everyone so much. And my kids are crazy, rightfully so. They're young, so gonna go check in here and get some rest so we can see everyone tomorrow. But got to see my nephew, super fun. I'll show you tomorrow. So we got in our first room, and unfortunately there's no air conditioning, so we're on to room number 2. Smaller beds, but Maddie's still awake, barely, but Lily laid down and was out cold in about 12 seconds. So that's the end of day 1. Tomorrow we'll be hanging out. You'll have some cool videos watching, playing with the kids. So talk to you in the morning. Hey everyone, so it is Saturday morning. We're up already and out of the hotel, off to go have some breakfast. Actually gonna go take them by Aquascape as well, just because the rest of the family is sleeping and we don't do that. So we're gonna go to Buttermilk, place I love when I'm in the Chicago area, and I'm gonna do that. So hope you're gonna watch the next part. Hey, figured I'd drive by, show them fish. This is one of their features that have out front. Lily, what do you think? You like it? Yeah. You like the fish? Like how everything looks? So I figured I'd show them this, and we'll walk around, show them the big ecosystem they have built in the front. I'm showing them the front, showing them the intake bay. They got the urns over in the water in the background. Lily's looking around at everything. What do you think, kiddo? You like it? Come on, let's go over by Mama. So I figured stop. We're actually in front of Aquascape. This is the system we built a couple 2 years ago at Pandemonium. The sun's in your eye, really? This is your video of a sun's in my eye. Lily, were you hiding? Say, hey, we're at Aquascape. Aquascape. We're off to go see Rocco for a birthday. This is a system. Got a bit of an algae bloom going. Needs a little work on it, but that's the norm. You know, Bill, watch out. There's goose poop there. Very cool. Hope you're enjoying yourself.
Do you like it? Do you love it?
I wear this.
Oh, we know you wear it.
You're okay. Chill.
Hey, so we're actually out at Lou Malnati's. This is where the party is going to be tomorrow, so we'll just stop on by, take a look at it. So, spin around. This is where they're going to do the birthday party for Rocco. So we're just here checking out, so I figured I'd show it to see what it was. Great deep dish pizza. I've had it before when I've been in town. All right, so we're having a little treat here. I did take a bite out of it, so it doesn't really work as well. But this is called, by us, and if you're in New York, you're gonna go, ooh, that's a rainbow cookie. Here in Chicago, it's called a flag cookie. Very cute. I like the name of it as flag cookie, but homemade, they are amazing. I'll give you a bite.
They're so yummy.
And say hello, Rocco. Happy birthday! Whose birthday is it?
Don't you love the green olives?
Do you want green olives?
No.
No.
Biondo sei tu.
It's okay. If you were around Grandpa, if you were around Uncle Scott, I would let you try everything.
Me too.
So dinner was all done.
It was from the
I didn't video anything with it. Lily's over there watching YouTube with Alessia. Rocco's hanging out down there.
For this flight only.
Maddie is
very cool.
going to take the iPad, and we're sitting, relaxing a little bit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rocco. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Woo!
Bella, batti le manine, Rocco. Rocco.
Woo!